Okay, and good morning to you. I'm going to share today's maths with you, which is we are doing a game. So remember this week we've been looking at 2D shapes, and we're just going to have a little warm up. So our warm up this morning is to have a little go at these. So calculate, that means work out what 7 add 4 is. You can use the number line here if you'd like to. Think about what is 1 more than 7, and then complete this sentence using the words less or more and name this shape. So you might want to pause the video here and have a little go at those. So let's have a little look. So hopefully we've got 9. So there's 9, and then we're going to count on 4. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and my answer is 13. So again, I could use my number line again, is to think about what is 1 more than 7. So there's 7. What's 1 more? 1 more is 8. Complete the sentence using less or more. So 7 is it less than 15 or more than 15? We know that 7 is less than. It's got to be less than, hasn't it? Because it's a 1-digit number, and this is 2. And also if we look here, there's 7 and there's 15 on the number line. And what's the name of this shape? This shape is a rectangle. We know it's a rectangle because it's got 2 long sides and it's got 2 short sides. Brilliant. Okay, what we're going to do this morning is something a little bit slightly different. I'm just going to stop sharing this video here a minute, and then I'm going to share another screen with you. Okay, and what I thought we could do today is actually going to have a look at some games, some maths games to do with shape. So what you will do is, I will send you the links, but the quickest way sometimes to do this, you're going to type in top mark maths, and then if you just click that, it will take you hopefully here, and then I just click up the top here, maths games, and then what we're looking for here is 5 to 7. So this one's already highlighted because it's all blue along there. And then I'm coming down here to the categories, and this one is shape. So if I click on there, and then if I scroll down here, there's lots of different shape games. So I was just going to go through some of them, not all of them. So this one, let's just have a quick, so let's just load this one. And you can also play, these can also be played on iPads as well. So I'm going to do level 1, and it's sorting. So what it's saying here is that anything along here, so anything in this box or this box is yellow. Anything along here is not yellow. Anything down here are triangles. Anything down here are not triangles. So here, obviously I've got a yellow one that's going to go in there. It's a yellow triangle, goes in there. That's a square. It's not a triangle, and it's not yellow, so it's going there. Okay, this is not a triangle, but it's yellow, so it's going there. My rectangle, this is another rectangle. This time it's not a triangle and it's not yellow, so my rectangle's going in there. So I've got my triangle. Yes, it is a triangle, but it's not yellow, so it's going there. My circle, it's not a triangle and it's not yellow, so it's going in this one. Again, I've got another triangle. It's not yellow, it's not going there, so it's going in this one. I've got a square. My square is not yellow and it's not a triangle, so it's going in there. Again, so now I've got a yellow shape. It's not a triangle though, is it? So it's going over here. And my square again, is that a triangle? No, it's yellow though, but it's going over here. I've got another triangle, but it's not yellow, so it's going down here. Another triangle, again, it's not yellow, it's going here. Oh, now this is a yellow one, so a yellow triangle is going there. And another yellow triangle is going there. And then if you get to this bit and you press check, brilliant, it'll let you know if you've done it right, and it also tell you if you've got things in the wrong place. And then you can either play again or you can move on to another game. go back to the menu. I suggest though with this that you just stay on levels 1 and 2. Could have a go at some of the others, but it may start mentioning shape names and things that we haven't covered. So I'm coming out of that game. Let's go back here. That was okay. The shape game is not very exciting though. It's just putting one shape and choosing the correct shape. Obviously there are some symmetry, but again, we haven't really looked at symmetry. This is, you've got to match the shape correct with the monster. Again, it's okay. It's not the most exciting game. These two are good though, these geo boards. I'm going to click on this one. And then what you do is you use it. We have these in class, if you remember. So again, you click it on there, and then I'm going to make a shape. I wonder what you can tell what shape I'm going to make. It's got four straight sides that are all the same length. So I'm putting it there, and then if I move around, it's going to make a square. Now, if I want to get rid of it, I click down here, and then I can clear it all. I'm going to start again. Down here are different types of boards. So here we've got smaller, so smaller sort of square shapes. So you can make smaller shapes. You might even be with that one, be able to, you know, challenge yourself and make a hexagon or a pentagon. And then there's a round one as well that you could make a circle. So let's go back here. This, I'm only going to show you one more. You can have a go at some of the other shape things. This is quite a nice one as well. Come on to this one. And this, you can use this to make patterns. We were thinking about patterns yesterday. So I'm going to go triangle or square, triangle, square. And then you can use it to make some patterns. And again, if I come down here, clear, or I can start again. You could also use it to make some shape pictures with. So I'm hoping that you'll have a little bit of fun with that. As I say, today it's just to have a go. Or what you could do, if you don't want to have a go on that, you could carry on making some shape patterns. You could try and draw some triangles and circles, but a freehand, or make a picture using shapes. That's entirely up to you, but just have a little bit of fun with that. So I'm going to stop sharing and stop the video. So have fun, everyone.